Well, this is my first review on TikTok so far. Well, we actually had Domino's pizza delivered, mostly two hand tossed ones. Well, the one I have is actually in the background is pretty much hand tossed with mozzarella, pepperoni, beef, and Canadian bacon. Well, actually, Domino's has actually had improved over the years. They're a lot better than what they used to be, even though it's been kind of the pizza place I've been eating a bit much. Well, even though it says hand dough, and actually their crust of their dough's a little bit better. They probably had improved on their recipes, and it's still actually it's still pretty good a bit, even though with the mozzarella cheese they kind of use and a bit of the meat toppings after all, and well, I pretty much still like it, and just not always really still the best pizza place, but for delivery, yes, so far, and but even though they always actually improved so far, well, for Domino's, 1 out of 5, I'd give it a 3 out of 5. I'll probably do some more reviews on TikTok soon.